Hi everyone. So one of the most useful tools in defining dimensions in SOLIDWORKS is Smart Dimension. Smart dimensions are used constantly when modeling. It is one of the most useful tools in defining dimensions. To start, let's click on Smart Dimension, and we can click on a line to define the length of that line. We could either type in the number, or we could drag the scroll wheel on the bottom, left or right, and as well as clicking on the up and down arrows to change the length. So Smart Dimensions can also dimension distances in parallel with this line, such as here, or it can also do horizontal length between these 2 points by clicking the line, and vertical lengths. And it can also define angles between 2 lines by clicking on one line and then clicking on the other line. Now you can set the angle between these 2 lines. And as you start to define entities, it turns from blue to black, which means that it is fully defined. And once you have all your entities fully defined, it will show here on the right, fully defined. And if we delete one of these dimensions, it will say underdefined. And it's also always best practice to fully define everything in a sketch.